Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Leininger with Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and I am pleased to present to you my newest listing at 11613 Corleone Street in Huntersville. This beautiful home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it's centrally located between Charlotte and Lake Norman. Come on, let's go check it out. Thank you for taking a tour of this beautiful home. Again, I'm Nicole Leininger with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. Contact me directly with any questions or to schedule your private showing. I look forward to talking to you soon.